Hey, my name is Zir Agrawal, and today I'm presenting my Kaggle AI Agent Intensive Vibe Coding Capstone project, and it's Ambrosia. So basically, deciding what to cook for a whole week is a small decision that never stops, like dietary restrictions, allergy, time, budget, and what's already in your fridge. Most apps helps you find one recipe, but Ambrosia plans your entire week so it actually fits your life. It's a multi-agent AI system built for the Concierge agent track. Okay, so basically, why agents, not one prompt? So basically, this isn't a single prompt to an LLM. It's a graph of specialized agent, each doing one job. A security screen blocks unsafe input. Uh, Planner agent turns your preference into structured data. A recipe finder searches a real recipe through a dedicated MCP server. A nutrition pipeline pulls the real per serving nutrition from the USD food database. And one fallback to the AI when nothing matches. A final agent schedule everything into an actual week and builds your shopping list. Okay, so basically, first of all, I will just sign in and show you the dashboard and the UI of the Ambrosia. So basically, I write my nickname, basically username, whatever, and I'll just sign in. Okay, so I signed it, and as you can see, I'm in feed page, and you can see that some recipes from here, and you can also select some specific country and find the recipe from that particular country. And also there is a veg, non-veg mode also. And let's first just go to the plan my week because this is the most important thing that I build right now. So basically, let's just select random options and just generate a plan meal, okay? And let's just do this. And let's just wait, okay? Okay. So after 1 or 2 minutes, it's finally generated a day total 5 day meal prep. As you can see in day one, it's showing tomato pova in breakfast, and in lunch it show karol dal curry. Okay. And also you can press recipe detail to find details of this recipe and instructions that how to create this recipe. And there's also a nutrition checker which also gives you a nutrition like 11, like in this one it gives 11.19 grams protein and 48.57 gram carbohydrate including breakfast and lunch both together. And through this you can see a day 5 meal prep. And if you want to know more detail about this, so you can see in VS Code, actually it show more detail about how Gemini generated the whole meal prep, how LLM basically. And also you can see that whenever USD fail, Gemini fall back and adds the calorie and more information, and it creates a whole recipe for that. Okay, so let's also see other things other than plan my week, okay? So there is also thing where you can see some recipes, and when I press this recipe, it will load recipe details, okay? And you can see the details of this recipe, basically preparation time, serves, diet, and also it also show nutrients per serve. It's like calories, protein, carbs, and fat. And also it shows right ingredients and step-by-step method to make this recipe. Now, there's one interesting thing that I want to discuss, which is kind of unique, that you can publish your own recipe. Basically, if you see any viral TikTok recipe, so basically you can just submit that recipe. So basically for that, you just insert some basic information like a recipe title, cuisine, category, dietary type. You can also insert photos. Now I show you my profile. Basically, it's like a social media type where you can follow and unfollow each others, and you can see recipes that how many recipes I basically published, and you can see saved button which is showing. Now you can just simply search people, like basically if I search a random user, so I just open that user and it shows that, oh, this person uploaded one recipe, and if I press this recipe, you will see every detail of this recipe. So this is my whole project. I built this using integrity for the coding work, Google ADK for the agent graph, fast API and Postgres for the backend, and lastly for front end it's React, deployed in the render and person. Ambrosia is live right now at this URL. So yeah, this is Ambrosia, a concierge agent that plans your whole week, not just your next well. Thanks for watching.